Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, so sexy. Oh yeah. Hey guys, I don't know what's going on with my hair. Welcome to my channel. So it's just, it's just doing its own thing. It's like we're just gonna stick out today. I don't even have curly hair, so I'm not too sure where this is coming from. So today I'm super excited because I went ahead and got a orange Obsessions from the Neon collection from Huda Beauty to give to you guys because I loved this so much. I was like, okay, I want to share with someone special. But on top of this, you guys will also be getting a gloss that I am getting in my Boxy Luxe, and it is from Dominic Cosmetics. Look how pretty this is, you guys. This is so strawberry lemonade-y and summery. And my Boxy Luxe is coming with a Dominic Cosmetics lip gloss, so I'm going to be throwing this into the giveaway as well. If you guys want to see the lip gloss, make sure to watch my Boxy Luxe video whenever that comes out. Make sure to have the bell on so you guys can see when I upload that because it's going to be a really beautiful box. I have a good feeling about it. And the gloss is going to be really pretty and summery and it's going to match this perfectly, and I figured these would make a really fun summery combo for a cute little giveaway. But for today's video, I am going to be using all three palettes to create one fun, bright, summery look. How many times do I say the word summery in this? If we were to combine all three of these into one palette, this would be such a fun palette and perfect for festival. I can't even hold these. This is impossible. Perfect for festivals or raves or just summer days. Something to match your bright, feel-good outfits. So that's basically what I did. I am creating one fun look with all three of these absolutely beautiful palettes. Now, if you guys would like to know how to enter this, then just keep watching. It is right after the tutorial. And if you guys are also interested in seeing three looks, one look with each palette, I will also link that above. What do you guys think about this color in the pan versus on my eyes? This is with P. Louise. I don't know, you guys. It is just not as bright on my eyes no matter what I do. Even on top of the ABH primer, which I'll have the video linked above if you guys are interested in seeing that wear test. It's just not the bright neon green I need in my life. Kind of disappointed. I'm going in with Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liners in Volume. It's a really pretty pink orange. I feel it'll look absolutely beautiful with this. And then I am dragging it halfway, and then for the outer corner portion, I am going in with the color Midnight Cowboy. Okay, so for blush, I am going in with the color Live, and it is in my Tarte Double Duty Beauty palette. For highlighter, I am going in with Bloom Time from Wet n Wild. This is fuchsia. Fuchsia with blue pearl. Okay, I guess that's the color. This is from Wet n Wild, and it is a really fun color, and we're just going all fun here. Oh, look how cute he is. Hello. Oh, hello. Hello. Hello, you are stinky. You need another bath. Hi. Hi. Oh, it's my earrings. Say hi. We actually changed his name. It was Kenobi, but now it's Benji. We thought he looked more like a Benji. Yes. You're so cute. Alright, now the moment that you guys have been waiting for. Here is this beautiful palette. It's like strawberry lemonade. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna love this, I promise. And on top of this, you guys are also getting a lip gloss that I'm getting in my Boxy Luxe today or tomorrow. I'm not sure when it's going to be here, but there is a lip gloss that I'm going to include with this as well. So when my Boxy Luxe video comes out, make sure to head over there so you guys can see that as well. But here is how to enter. Be subscribed to me. Have your subscriptions on public so I can just see that you're subscribed to me. And since neons remind me of summer and fun and bright, fun, colorful things, let me know your favorite thing to do in the summer. And that's it. You are entered to win. And I will conclude this in 2 weeks. So June 28th, I will conclude and pick a winner. And another quick reminder for a giveaway palette. Remember, I am giving away this beautiful 28 pan, $239 Natasha Denona Blue Purple palette as well. That giveaway will be pretty soon, so also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys would like to win a brand new Natasha Denona palette. And that is all I have for this video. Keep an eye out for my Boxy Luxe one so you can see the lip gloss, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!